Say you need to make a video, but you don't have the to do so. But don't worry, my sad little friend, because with you have everything you need to make amazing videos. Just hit record.
Hey everyone,
And let Descript do the rest. Everything you need to make a good video all in one place. What's that? You want some examples, you say? I was hoping you would. Come with me. Don't worry about being the world's best cinematographer. Just fix your lighting in a click. And with the color adjustments tab, I can fine-tune the look of my shot easily. And let's just pretend I wasn't reading my script off to the side. Perfect. After all, a true artist like me remembers their lines. And let's just give my audio that fancy studio treatment.
Now for me, there's really no surefire way that I come up with video ideas. I don't do the typical thing of scrolling through what's trending
And boom, now that my footage looks and sounds pretty, I can edit this sucker real nice and easy like. Throw on some layouts and fancy new transitions, and the production value of this thing skyrockets in a few clicks. Now let me just smooth up some rough jump cuts here.
scrolling through what's trending and researching SEO keywords, scrolling through what's trending and researching SEO keywords.
And fix up some flubbed lines there.
One is analog and the other is digital.
Don't tell anyone I messed up, okay? With all Descript's features, making videos is not only easy, but super fast. Like, weirdly fast. Almost too fast. Okay guys, I think that's enough. Seriously guys, I think they get the point. This is too many features, all right? It's making me dizzy. Okay, we're back here now. Well, there you have it. From recording all the way to posting, you can do it all in one place with Descript. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think I'm gonna go throw up. So let's run the outro package. Okay.